Hi, we are watching cloning website video series. Now we are in step 3. In this step, we need to replace the database name, username and password of the database and the user login details to access the database. If you want to keep the same details in your new site, so then you no need to change any details. You just upload the all files through FTP and the site works perfectly. If you want to if you want to change the details, then you need to change the username. These are the details. You need to change this host name, login database, login user, login password with the old name with the new name. To execute this process very fast, you need a software called grepwin. You can download this software from here. Go and search, find and replace in all files and folders in Google. Then you can see this link. Otherwise, you just search for download grepwin software. Once you download the software, install it and open. Now I put the folder on the desktop from which I would like to execute the function find and replace. This is the folder. Now I want to replace the old details with the new details from subfolders 2. These are the old details, that is host name, database name, user login, and with new details I would like to replace them. For this, first of all, select the folder path and make sure you had took the backup. Now make sure you selected all sizes, include subfolders. Sometimes reject search works and sometimes text search works. So here search for this and replace with this. Click on replace. You can see 53 files modified. Here you see, here it is Ramesh login data. Once we refresh this page, open the page. Now it is replaced. Now we need to change the post name. With this one. Click replace. Here the process is completed. Once again check whether all details are changed or not. Okay. There is something wrong here. There is a space. But replace. Now it is changed. All the necessary details changed now. Once again we see we have changed this, and this, and we also changed the database name too. So it is also changed now, but here we need to change the database name in MySQL table also. Our database also we need to change the table name, and such case come back to this one, import this. Now click on import and browse to the location of the file. You can see here there is no user closing rank table is there. Now the table is successfully imported, but it is still showing as sheet 1 only. So to edit this, sheet 1. Click on replace. Now save. You can rename the table here also, otherwise you just drop this, you just drop the table. Now again go to the root and go to the root, click on import. Before this, make sure you have changed this. Again upload it. you see the database table name is changed. Now we have uploaded the necessary tables, and the last step is just upload the files through FTP to the new website. How we can do it, we will see in the next video.
Hi friend, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for sharing. Bye.